I'm here to rant a little bit. Happy Halloween, everybody. So, I had to stop because I'm already at my destination. But yeah. For the people that know me, y'all know that my life is never a dull moment. If it's not one thing, it's another. If it's not someone, it's someone else, you know. Anyways, so I had to leave because I have to give one of my daughters some juice to her car because it's not turning on, and gotta give her some cables and see what's up, to see if it is the battery and whatnot, because I gotta be a mom and dad too when dad is not available, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, alrighty then, so let me go save my sack of potatoes of my daughter and see what's up. Yeah, so happy Halloween, y'all. Oh yeah, and then I gotta go pick up my daughter at 4:30 in the morning at work because I had to take the car because I had things to do today. So yeah, not going to sleep anytime soon. But yeah, that's it. That's all my ranting for right now. You know, enjoy the rest of your night, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, PS. Also, because I think I made a big wish that, you know, I was like, oh please God, I don't want my life to ever be boring, you know, and whatnot. Wish granted. Wish granted. Wish granted. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you for this lovely life of mine. It's so wonderful and it's amazing and I'm blessed and I love it. Love it, 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 love it. Love it. Anyways, that was it. Tee. We have a little complication.
Why are you recording?
Wait, first we gotta get the fit. Yeah, we gotta get the fit. So the situation we're in, okay, she asked, hey Ma, my car's not turning on. Right? You said my car just stopped. How am I supposed to give her goddamn cables juice to her car?
It won't turn on. I can't move it from here.
So the only solution, I think, is to back it up.
How am I gonna back it up?
Put it in neutral, back it up, and then I put juice. Open your hood. I want to see where the battery is at, so that way I have better access to it.
I don't know what to do. Oh, it's from over there. It's because Andis doesn't do that.
So I think the only solution is to put it in neutral, back it up, and see if we can give it some juice. Happy Halloween, you little sack of potatoes.
I wanted to give Soso the hoodie, but we didn't have time. How the fuck am I supposed to open this? I've never opened this one before. I got it.
Oh, you need a fast learner.
Shut. No.
Okay, so it's on this side. Oh, okay, let me see.
it's because you have a leak. Right there. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
The orange.
Yeah. What is that from?
Alright, so I'm finally back home. We were able to turn on her car temporarily, but I recommended her not to drive the car because she has to drive an hour away, and I told her just to leave it there and I'll go back tomorrow and clean it with some brake cleaner. Clean it up a bit and see if that helps, because I did notice a lot of gunk. All gunk. It was like caked everywhere. Caked everywhere, like how women wear their makeup. Just kidding. But yeah. My second best solution is we're just gonna trash it. Yeah. I'm just gonna trash it, dump the car, I think that is the best solution. And that's it, and call it a night. Am I right? Because if we take it to a mechanic, they're probably gonna charge us an arm and a leg and an eyeball, maybe. But yeah, so if y'all see anything or any different, y'all can like comment down, and but I think we're just, that's the best solution. Just trash it, just trash it. But that's it. So now I'm gonna do some work before I go pick up my other daughter at work at 4:30 in the morning. So that's it. So I'm gonna exit this video, and yeah. All right, peace out.